Can we actually predict the top of Bitcoin in 2025 without using technical analysis? Let's find out together in this video. My name is Rami and it's my first video on this channel. My goal from this analysis is not only to show you the potential price target of the new all-time high, but also how you can exit the market safely based on this information. So here, I'm on the monthly time frame on BTC USD, which shows us the chart of Bitcoin all the way back from 2009. And as you can see, I'm using the log scale right here since we're analyzing a high time frame. Because if we're going to use the regular scale, then it'll look weird and I won't be able to explain easily. So let's go back to the log scale. Let's start. If we're not going to use Elliott waves and Fibonacci extensions to project the Bitcoin price and the market top, how are we going to achieve that? Well, we'll simply look at historical data and we'll use mathematics. The first method that I'll use is analyzing the old all-time highs and trying to find a relationship between them. So I'll go down to the bi-weekly time frame and we'll start in the top from 2011. So this one right here. For starters, I'll note down the percentage change from the high, so here, compared with the next one in 2013. And as you can see, we have approximately a 4,000% increase. Next, we'll take this all-time high and compare it with the one from 2017. And as you can see right here, we have approximately a 1,400% increase. And finally, we want to compare the all-time high from 2017 with the latest one, the latest market top from 2021. And so right here, we have a 250% increase. What can we notice from these numbers? Well, we can see that the percentage change or the increase is actually decreasing with each new market top. It went from 4,000 to 1,400 and finally to 250%, which makes total sense since the market cap of Bitcoin and crypto in general is getting larger, then it becomes more difficult to see really big increases. So over time, I think it makes sense to see this drop in the increase between each all-time high. But what can we deduce from this analysis? First, we can say that probably the new all-time high won't be above 250% from the latest all-time high, right? So it won't be above approximately 240k. Since this percentage change is actually decreasing, then this right here should be lower. So let me lower our expectations to 250k approximately. And also, if we only see a 100% increase, then it wouldn't be a big surprise, since as we said, the percentage change is decreasing. So if Bitcoin goes only to 140k, then it could make sense. So now we have a ballpark of where the new Bitcoin all-time high could be at. That was it for the first method. We projected the new market top only based on the all-time highs. However, we also have another way to project the market top as well, and you have probably already guessed it. We can analyze the percentage change from the market cycle low to its high in each cycle. Let's go back to 2011 just like we did before. And actually, let me delete these before. Now we'll start right here. So we'll take the percentage change from the low to the high, which is right here approximately 60,000%. Then we want to do the same thing right here. We'll take it from the low to the high. And right here we have an 11,000% increase. And finally, we want to do the same thing for the latest cycle. So we'll take it from the low right here all the way up to $70,000. And right here we have approximately a 2,000% increase. And here it's the same case as before. The percentage change from the low to the high is actually decreasing in each cycle. This type of analysis is important because it's taking into account all the big investors that bought Bitcoin near the low, and we're making assumptions about at which prices these people will sell. Because more often than not, the same people that buy at the bottom are the ones who manipulate the market at the top and sell their Bitcoins. So for the next market top, we won't probably go above 2,000% from the low, which will be approximately right here at 350k. And also, if we only see an increase of 500 or 600%, so just to above 100k, then it would make sense since the percentage change is actually decreasing year over year. Again, this is just a logical reasoning based on this specific analysis. It doesn't mean that it will 100% happen. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion based on my 10 years of experience. But at least, now, with the information that we acquired from this analysis, we can say that we won't probably see Bitcoin at $500k or $1 million in this market cycle. Basically, we can be more realistic and filter out all the bullshit that we hear on social media from crypto influencers. Now for the exits. If you wish to exit your investments near the top, then you can say that it's logical to start taking profits at 100k, then maybe 140k, and maybe leave the rest running. But this will definitely be based on your risk tolerance and personal plans. Maybe you wish to keep your investments and not sell anything. Personally, I'll probably keep a good portion invested, and for the rest, I'll start exiting my positions near the top based on the evolution of the market and our analysis. I'll keep you updated, so don't worry. That was it for this video. If you want my personal advice on your exit plan, and if you want to hear our updates when Bitcoin starts pumping, then join our Discord and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.